You're going to learn 25 super useful English responses, the kind native speakers use every day. Each phrase comes with a simple explanation and a short, natural dialogue. Let's begin. Section 1. Responding to thank you. Anytime. A common phrase to show you're always willing to help.
Thanks for helping me carry all these boxes. They are heavier than I thought.
Anytime. Just let me know if you need a hand.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks again.
No worries. An informal way to show something was not a problem.
Thanks for lending me your notes.
No worries. I know how confusing that chapter is.
I'll return them tomorrow after class.
Take your time. I'm not using them this week.
Really? That helps so much.
Yep, no worries at all.
It's nothing. A casual way to downplay thanks and show it was easy for you.
Thanks again for the ride. I really owe you one.
It's nothing. I was heading this way anyway.
You saved me from being late for class.
Glad we got here in time.
Of course. A polite way to show that helping is natural or expected.
Thanks for saving me a spot.
Of course. I thought you would be late again. That's why I grabbed the seat by the window for you.
Perfect. It's my favorite spot. You're the best.
I know. What are friends for?
Happy to help. A friendly way to show you enjoy helping someone.
Thanks for fixing my laptop again.
Happy to help. It only took a minute.
I swear, you always save me.
Well, you're not that bad. Your laptop is.
True. I should probably get a new one.
Yeah, but until then, I got you.
Section 2. Responding to bad news. That's a pity. A polite way to express sympathy when something unfortunate happens.
I didn't pass the test.
That's a pity. I know you studied really hard.
Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed.
Don't worry. You'll do better next time.
That's too bad. A common phrase to show you feel sorry about someone's bad situation.
My vacation got canceled.
That's too bad. You were really excited about it.
I know. I already booked everything.
Maybe you can reschedule later.
That sucks. An informal or slang way to show strong sympathy about bad news.
My laptop stopped working.
That sucks. You need it for work, right?
Yeah, and I didn't save my files.
Ouch. That makes it even worse.
I'm sorry to hear that. A polite way to show empathy when someone shares sad news.
My dog is sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is he doing okay?
The vet said he just needs rest.
I hope he gets better soon. That must be tough. A caring way to recognize someone's difficult situation.
I've been working overtime every day.
That must be tough. Are you doing all right?
I'm tired, but I'm managing.
Make sure you take breaks whenever you can.
Section 3. Responding to good news. That's awesome! A common informal phrase to express strong excitement or happiness.
I got the job!
That's awesome! Congratulations!
Thanks, I'm so happy.
You totally deserve it.
Nice. A casual and simple way to show positive reaction to good news.
Hey, how's your project going?
I finished my project early.
Nice! How did it go?
Honestly, better than I expected.
You must feel relieved.
Yeah, kinda. Now I can finally breathe a little.
Good for you. A polite and supportive way to praise someone's achievement.
Look! I finally saved enough for my trip.
Good for you! Where are you going?
Japan! I've been planning it for months.
Wow, that's exciting.
That's great to hear. A friendly and polite way to show you're happy about good news.
The interview went well.
That's great to hear. When will they update you?
Maybe next week.
I'm sure you'll get the job.
I'm happy for you. A warm, emotional way to show you share someone's happiness.
I got accepted into the program.
I'm happy for you. You worked hard.
Thank you. It means a lot.
Section 4. Responding to shocking or surprising news. For real? An informal way to show surprise and ask if the news is true.
I think I'm moving to a new apartment next month.
For real? I thought you loved your place.
I do, but the rent went up again.
Oh, I get it. So where are you moving?
Somewhere closer to work, hopefully.
Nice. Shorter commute always helps.
Seriously? A common way to express disbelief or mild shock.
I heard Professor Kim is moving to another university.
Seriously? I hadn't heard anything about that.
Yeah, someone mentioned it after class earlier.
Wow, that would be a huge change. She's one of the best lecturers here.
You're joking. An informal way to show you can't believe what you just heard.
I lost my phone. Again.
You're joking. Didn't this happen last month?
Yeah, I don't know how it keeps happening.
Where did you have it last?
I think I left it on the bus.
Oh man, you really need a tracker or something.
Wait, what? A very casual way to express sudden surprise or confusion.
They canceled the concert.
Wait, what? That's such a shame.
I know. I was really looking forward to it.
Same here. I even planned my whole weekend around it. Did they say anything about refunds?
Not yet, but I really hope they send an email soon.
That's insane. A strong, informal phrase to react to something shocking, big, or unbelievable.
I checked the flight again, and the price went from $250 to $480.
That's insane!
I know. It changed in only 1 minute.
Wow, that's crazy. Were you going to buy it?
Yes, I was. But the price went up so fast.
Try checking again later. Maybe it will go down.
Section 5. Responding to commands or requests. Sure thing. A friendly, informal way to say, yes, I'll do it.
Can you watch my bag for a minute?
Sure thing. Go ahead.
I'll be quick. I just need to grab some napkins.
Take your time.
Thanks.
You got it. A confident, casual way to say, I'll take care of that.
Can you send me the worksheet later?
You got it. I'll email it to you after class.
Thanks. I really need it to study.
No problem.
Will do. A professional and concise way to confirm you'll complete a task.
Please send me the report.
Will do. I'll email it tonight.
Great, thanks.
No worries.
Leave it to me. A confident way to show you'll handle something completely.
Can you organize these files?
Leave it to me. I'll sort everything out.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help anytime.
Absolutely. A strong and positive way to agree to a request.
Hey, could you review these slides before the meeting?
Absolutely. Do you need them today?
If possible, yeah. The meeting is at 3.
No problem. I'll go through them right after lunch.
Thanks, that helps a lot.
Great work! Today you learned 25 useful responses for everyday conversation. Try using 3 to 5 of them today to make your English sound more natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.